guys. Today I'm offering you a particularly relaxing activity, the mandalas. Maybe you even know the mandalas, but in this regard, I have a surprise in store for you, since the mandalas that I have purchased are in the form of postcards and bookmarks. So I said to myself that after having personalized and colored them, I could send them to you by post. I will come back to this later. First of all, let's see a little together what's a mandala, what is it for, and how to use it. Well, we can say in Hindu and Buddhist Tantrism, it is a symbolic diagram representing the evolution and involution of the universe with respect to a central point. It serves as a support for meditation. It's not a simple drawing, but a tool of transformation which, by keeping us in the present moment, opens us to our inner being and to a greater self-awareness. It allows us to tame our shadows and our fears. It is a source of harmony and inner peace. It's a way to focus, to rebalance, and sometimes even to discover a humanitarian or artistic vocation. Mandalas can have a healing power, especially to accompany grief or learn to let go. The mandala works on 4 levels of consciousness. First, physics, then psychic, psychological, and spiritual. The mandala acts where it should act. Upon entering the circle, a vibratory change occurs. The union between the 2 hemispheres of the brain, thus producing the harmonization of dualities and the unification of opposites. Regardless, coloring a mandala means enjoying a moment of calm, relaxation, and integration of the strength it provides. Coloring a mandala is one of the rare activities that involves the 2 hemispheres of the brain. Right brain by artistic sense, intuition, and creativity. Left brain, organization, logic, management of space, and symmetry. This cerebral balance provides a feeling of relaxation, peace, and well-being. Its regular practice develops confidence, respect, gentleness, and self-love. Silence promotes healthy introspection, the will to improve and pacify. The choice of colors is far from trivial. They have a real impact on us, even unconscious. Indeed, Through their instinctive choice, we express our feelings. We find vitality, joy, hope, or confidence according to their symbolism. Personally, I use all kinds of pens of different colors and textures. Felt tip pens, colored pencils, simple or classic pens, other glitter, fluorescent, metallic, gel, confetti, pastels, according to my intuition and my inspiration at this moment. The mandala is an activity in full agreement with ASMR. Now, practice coloring postcard and bookmarks. For all the reasons I just mentioned, and among all the kinds of mandalas that exist, I quote a few Amerindians, dream catchers, plants, cells, sacred, original, meditation, abundance, sacred geometry, flowers, ocean, etc. I got mandalas on the themes witches, original mandalas in Rangolis, Amerindians, classic, and more specifically Zen mandalas, luck charms in the form of postcards and bookmarks mandalas. It is this last two that will interest us, since as I offer you a meditative relaxation by coloring the mandalas, postcard and bookmarks. And really, to thank you for watching my videos, your loyalty, your subscription, likes, comments, but also for your sometimes necessary indulgence. I suggest that you send you by mail, at my expense of course, the postcard and bookmark mandalas to your home to allow you to benefit from the benefit I told you about previously, especially the lucky charm. Also, to respect your privacy, that is very important on the internet, as you know. If you want to receive this modest gift, but in which I will have put all my energy and my positive vibes, leave me a comment with your pseudonym saying, I would like to receive a mandala postcard or a bookmark. But send me your personal details with name, first name, full address, and in brackets your nickname, so that I can associate your nickname with your real contact details, all on my email address as giso.asmr@gmail.com, which you will find in the description in this video as in the others. Well, now let's proceed to the coloring of our mandalas. You'll see my different pens, gel, glitter, metallic, fluorescent, pastel, and my two mandalas notebooks with a little bit of tapping, page flipping, leafing, etc. So let's go.